New sunglasses. Yes, we been dressed up.
Hey. It was cold out there today. Mother Nature is the bitch. I'm gonna tell you what this bitch did over the past course, the last 3 weeks. So this bitch has come along and played us so hard that she had the nerve to give us like 2-3 days, like 3 weeks ago, where it was like 50-something degrees, right? And then this bitch gonna turn around the very next week and make us have motherfucking 20-degree weather and shit all week long. And then this bitch had the audacity to, hey, it gets worse. This bitch had the audacity to give us a week where we was just freezing, right? And then mixed it up with some rain and shit, and it was sleeting on my fucking hair one day. Couldn't put my glasses on because I couldn't motherfucking see. And now what this bitch is about to do for us on Wednesday and Thursday of this week, the first week of March, this bitch about to give us 60-degree motherfucking weather. And I don't think I know what to do with myself. I need to go get me some pom-poms though, because it is time. It's time to show off my body. It's time. You know, I'm trying not to get too excited because the bitch won't smack us back in the face with some more 20-degree weather next week. But these 2 days is about to be real.